In this video, I'm going to show you how to see drafts on Rednote. So what you're going to do is from your home screen, you're going to click on the hamburger icon at the top left. And in here you can see drafts and we see a 1 at the right. So we click on drafts. And as you can see, this is the draft that I have at the moment. And your drafts will also be removed when you delete this app. So let's click on this draft and we can basically edit this draft. We can select the cover. We can basically do everything we want with this draft. So everything you want to do. And when you're finished, you can post this. Or when you also want to save the draft again, you just click on Save Draft, Save, and then it will be in your drafts bag again. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.